When it comes to international money transfers, choosing a secure, transparent, and cost-effective platform is always the first priority. Instarem is one of the emerging fintech services that helps individuals and businesses send money overseas quickly. But the big question is it safe to use Instarem service? First, safety in money transfer depends on regulation. Instarem is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, and FinCEN in the USA. This ensures that every transaction is monitored under strict compliance frameworks. That's a solid layer of trust for anyone planning to transfer funds. Second, Instarem uses advanced encryption to protect customer data. Their system secures both personal details and transaction information through SSL and multi-layer firewalls. This ensures that sensitive financial details are not compromised during transfers. Third, the service offers live mid-market exchange rates, which means you can see the exact rate you're getting without hidden markups. This transparency reduces the fear of losing money in the conversion process. Now let's talk about 5 important aspects you won't commonly hear about Instarem. Transaction fingerprinting. Each transfer through Instarem carries a unique transaction fingerprint. This invisible identifier makes it extremely difficult for fraudulent duplication. Geographical routing of transfers. Unlike many platforms, Instarem routes payments using the shortest possible correspondent banking chain, reducing delays and potential errors. AI-driven fraud detection. Their back-end system constantly scans unusual transaction patterns. For example, sudden large transfers outside your usual corridor can trigger additional verification, safeguarding funds. Country-specific payout protections. In certain countries like India and the Philippines, Instarem ensures payouts are released only through RBI-approved or BSP-approved partner banks. This guarantees compliance at the receiving end. In-app transfer guarantees. Instarem allows users to lock exchange rates for a short period during high market volatility, something rarely offered by competitors. If we talk about credibility, the company has been trusted by millions of users across 60-plus countries. Reviews on Trustpilot.com and industry coverage on TechCrunch.com highlight its strong reputation for safety and speed.